I'm done. The beauty community is just lame. Gossip, negativity. I'm just gonna leave. Hello, I'm done with makeup. I'm done. Finito. No more finger guns. No longer doing makeup. No longer filming makeup videos. I'm not gonna do makeup. I just drink some coffee. So I totally love doing my makeup and I have so much fun with it, but I think I'm just done with it. The beauty community is just lame. I probably need to speak louder because the mic's a little bit further away. I really don't want to be associated with the beauty community. I don't know if you've seen any part of it, but it's just completely filled with drama. Drama central. Gossip, negativity, the whole shebang. Shebang? Why did I say that? I just don't find it to be a positive environment, a positive place to be. It's kind of the thing that takes the enjoyment away from making the videos. I try not to immerse myself in it, but it's just everywhere, and my videos tend to be somewhat lighthearted, not overly serious. The beauty community just doesn't seem to have the same sense of humor as I do. I just don't want to be a part of it. So I feel like I'm just gonna leave on this note, maybe never come back. Maybe I will. Don't get me wrong. This could just be a temporary break. Okay, hi, this is future editing me. In the midst of editing, looking back, I kind of sound really harsh. I don't actually hate the beauty community at all. No hate. There was a reason why I did start makeup videos to begin with. There are so many great and awesome creators in the community that I have really enjoyed watching and continue to watch and enjoy their content. So I just wanted to clarify that. Yes, there is drama and negativity, more so than probably other communities. It's just not for me. I hope you've enjoyed these few couple of clips of me doing aerial and stuff. After that quick note, we shall return. All that to say, the beauty community just isn't my thing. Not the place that I want to be. I just don't feel like I belong in it. Also, I just really want to make workout videos, fitness videos, workout, fitness, health, something along those lines. I just feel like I want to try it out because it'll be fun. I am super passionate about having a lot of hand movements. I'm just gonna try and sit really still. So I'm really passionate about health and fitness. This isn't working either. I love makeup and I'm passionate about it, but not to the extent that I am fitness. I just feel like I have so much more to offer with fitness. For as long as I can remember, I have been really physically active, so involved in exercise, sport, and any kind of health and fitness. So I'm Australian, if you couldn't gather from my accent. I moved to the US a couple of years back to do aerial circus full time. I left behind my job as a physiotherapist in Australia, which I had spent over 4 years studying. So that was a good use of time. Now not being able to practice in the US at all. I love that. So I basically just quit everything to work out 24/7. And so far it's been great. Not that I have worked out 24/7. Basically what I'm saying is I do spend quite a number of hours per day training. If you follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. You will notice a lot of my posts and stories are kind of more related to health and fitness over makeup, and I just don't enjoy posting about makeup as much as I do fitness. I really don't post about makeup at all. I more just take selfies, which I'm always wearing makeup, and then I post them. I'm looking forward to being able to create fitness content. I feel like I have a lot to offer. Not sure what that is, but I feel like I can have a lot of fun with it. So I'm ready to just give it a go. We'll see if it sticks. I'm hoping it does. So fitness is superior to me. Therefore, from here on out, my videos will be some kind of health and fitness related. I'm just gonna wrap this up. Was this video pointless? Potentially, but I feel like it was necessary to create some context for my videos moving forward, or just to actually stop procrastinating and make a video, because I haven't done that in a little while. Given the fact that I'm not really sure what kind of fitness videos I'm gonna be creating, if you do have any ideas or have any suggestions of besides Jez doing aerial, because I know a lot of people seem to want to see that. Working on that one. Can't guarantee that'll ever happen. If you do have any suggestions, just let me know. Thanks so much for watching. You guys are great. I'm gonna go. I'll see you in the next fitness video. I won't really see you. You'll see me. Bye.